literally dogging this blush out like these men be dogging us out. No, I'm just playing. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mariah, and today's video will be on me showing you how to make sure that your foundation is smooth and flawless. So if you want to learn how, keep watching. So the first things first, you want to make sure that you are taking care of your skin underneath, which means you need to be drinking your water and minding your own business. Secondly, prepping is so important. So usually what I do is I usually like shave my face, y'all, like twice a month. So every 2 weeks or probably once a month. It just depends on how much hair has grown back. And I usually use just this razor right here and some aloe vera gel, but I don't have any more. And if I run out, I just use water. So I make sure that I just shave my face and get that nice and smooth. That's going to help as well. Secondly, you need to prep your skin and get it ready for the foundation. Please don't be out here just putting your foundation on and that's it. So the first things first is we're going to moisturize and prep the face. I'll be using my La Roche-Posay. I'm probably saying it wrong, y'all, because I'm country. But I will be using this to moisturize with. Don't forget about y'all neck. Some people just neglect the neck, and we don't want to do that. That was a bar. You can't tell me there wasn't no bar right there. So after I moisturize the face, I go in with my Neutrogena Hydro Boost. Now that we have our moisturizer on, I'm going to go in with this E.L.F. Power Grip. And y'all, this is some good stuff. I got this from Walgreens or any drugstore. You know, just because stuff be cheap, that don't mean turn away from it, because most of my foundation is on the low end side. So, and everything works perfectly fine. It's not about how much it costs, it's about how you use it, okay? And this is really important too. You want to make sure that you add some primer as well. So now that we have our face set and prep, you can already see the difference. My face is not looking so dry and dull anymore. It is ready for the foundation. The foundation that I'll be using is on the lower end. This is Fit Me by Maybelline, and this has been like my go-to for years and years and years. I am number 355, and that's coconut. And this one here, this is the matte poreless, and it says it lasts up to 12 hours. So when you get your foundation, next thing you want to do is you can either use the back of your hand or you can use like one of these little platelets here. And I'm just going to pour mine on the back of this plate. And I'm just going to use like a real little bit because it don't take much, and that's probably too much, but just a dab. When it comes to your putting your foundation on, you will need a foundation brush. This is a flathead foundation brush, and this is just a round foundation brush. And my brushes are clean. They probably just have like a little stain in it. But you will need a brush. You can get on Amazon and you can order you like a 10-piece or a 22-piece set, brush set, and that's going to have most of all of your brushes, if not all the brushes you would need to apply your makeup in general when it comes to foundation and your eyeshadow. So when you put your foundation on, you don't want to pour it right onto the brush because it will just be right there saturated in that one spot. That's why I put mine on the pan and I use like one of these brushes. If you don't have a flat brush in one of these pans, please use the back of your hand and your finger, and you can just smooth the foundation on like so. So I'm just going to tap that in here and just paint my face, basically. Don't forget the Lion King mark. That's so important. And see, I'm almost done with that. Now I'm going to use this brush because I just really like this brush. Now the next step is going to be get you some setting spray. I'm going to use this one by Mario. I got this from Ulta. Or you can use the E.L.F makeup mist and set, and this is really good too. I got this from Walgreens. So a lot of stuff you can use. I mean, you can have a face that's $50 or less of product and still be looking like, you know, that girl. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to spray my face, and then I'm going to work the foundation in before it dries up. I'm not the type to like to put my foundation all over my lips. I know some people like to just put it all on the lips, but I don't like to do that. Next, I'm just gonna go in like, I'm gonna use this one. I'm gonna go in with my beauty blender. I'm gonna go in and I'm going to pat the foundation in, and it's gonna kind of give it like their airbrush finish. If you need more foundation, of course, you know, you can just get that and build it up. You know, if you need another layer, just add more foundation. I'm going to go ahead and finish the face. I'm going to put some highlight on, and this is Born This Way in the color Butterscotch. Yeah, I'll be so tongue twisted. And I'm going to do it like this because I don't really need a lot. That's it. It don't take a lot. I'm telling you, less is better. First, I use just a brush like this. Then I go in with the beauty blender and I'm going to press that in. And don't worry, everything will come together. Trust the process. Next, I'm going to go in with some translucent powder and just set that real quickly. I'm not a baker, so I pretty much just go ahead and dust it off. And what I do is I use the foundation brush. That is going to blend everything together. You want to use your foundation brush to just melt everything. You see, that's what we're going for. Everything go together. Like she said, we go together. Tell this makeup we go together. Now I'm gonna go in with some bronzer, and this is by Fenty. And the more you do it, the better you'll get. So you start practicing, just keep practicing. Like they said, like Dory said, just keep swimming, just keep practicing. And you will get so much better. I'm gonna be using this blush, and I'm gonna be using this color right here, y'all. I'm literally dogging this blush out like these men be dogging us out. No, I'm just playing. Y'all, I been getting moles on my face. Like, they just be popping up. Like, where you come from? I think when you get like over 30 or over 35 or something like that, they just pop up. Now my favorite part, my absolute favorite part is going to be highlight. And I'm finna go like all in. After you put that on, we're just going to go back with our foundation brush because there's still some on here. Or you can go in with your beauty blender too and dap it in, blend everything in. But I'm going to use my brush because it's just going to melt everything, not make stuff look so harsh. Y'all get up and put some makeup on because I just feel like sometimes when you have makeup on, I feel like you can just do things better. Like I feel like when I got makeup on, I can wash the dishes a little bit better. Okay, this lip liner, this is Juvia's Place, and y'all, this if you haven't got on to Juvia's Place, make sure y'all check them out. I know they are at Ulta, they're online as well. And this is the final look. This is how you get your foundation nice and flawless. And remember that prepping the skin with your moisturizer and primer, that is really the key to it, and also your skin underneath. This is the final look, you guys. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to my channel for more.